Bronzeville Week is an 8-day packed full of adventures, education, entertainment.
Place where kids create, where communities build, and where opportunities are sought after.
To be part of a community that respects not only its roots, but has a vision for its future.
To rebirth an area that was once one of the landmarks, if you will.
This is just kind of the beginning of showing really what Bronzeville has to offer.
Recruit new businesses to the district.
Meet business leaders from the area and from the neighborhood.
For other people to see what happens every single day in this community.
Creative innovation ways that we can get back to the kind of sustainable situation that's going to allow us to go forward.
The greatest joy in my life is the ability to meet new people and experience new things. We build community by building relationships.
What you can do is come to some of these events.
Bronzeville Week is a treasure for me.
What you can do is spread the word, spread the word, spread the word.